Hi, if you're starting a business, particularly if you're putting a shop or a building or a structure for your business, the first thing you'll have to understand is how to protect your cost. When you're putting up an initial shop or structure, an office, you have to bring in materials. And what happens if these materials are subject to some calamities like flood, typhoon, fire, etc.? And that is where you need insurance, because insurance will protect you in case these things happen. It will protect your capital and it will protect your investments. Say that you lost those construction materials because they were stolen. Can you afford the cost involved in it? Can you afford replacing them and investing another amount of money? Insurance is the best answer to that, because insurance will replace all your stolen materials. It will also protect those materials against fire, typhoon, and even falling aircraft, if there's such a thing. Burglary is also included. So if you're interested, get in touch with me and we'll make sure that you get a very good fire insurance protection. All risk fire insurance include protection against loss of gadgets, cell phones, laptops, and this is also part of the all risk insurance where it protects also construction materials and all other materials that are needed in your putting up a business. The amount of lost materials that you invested and that were stolen will be reimbursed by the insurance company, because that is part of the policy of the insurance, where stolen materials are reimbursed. So if you're interested, please get in touch with me so we can see how we can protect all your initial investments in your business and in all your other properties that you're planning to put up.